the most used cycling lubrication in the world. Made using the highest quality ingredients. Greatly reduces drivetrain and bearing friction. Easy to use multi-purpose brush for gears, chain, and other bike components. Bristle blocks surround chain for efficient, four-side cleaning. Long stiff bristles access difficult to reach components. Brush bristle blocks remove for cleaning. Helps prevent premature wear of your drivetrain and helps maintain smooth operation. Top reviews from the United States. Fine control, good value. All-round improvement over previously owned version. Shape is more ergonomic, allowing better contact with chain while fitting nicely in hand and minimizing knuckle knocking on spinning wheels, etc. Material appears more durable.